Welcome back to the channel. I'm here with Kevin Staigh of Halo Power, and today we're going to be talking about the top 3 services that Halo Power provides to their customers in the Sherwood Park and Edmonton area. So Kevin, let's jump right in. Number 1, what is the top service that you guys provide out in Sherwood Park?
Well, thanks, Trevor. So yeah, definitely the top one that we provide is panel upgrades.
Okay.
This is probably our bread and butter for the business, and we love doing them. We're very good at doing them. So, there's so many homes out there that have old, outdated electrical panels. And whether it's an old Federal Pacific, Federal Pioneer, anything that's a stab lock on it. And of course, the other problematic panels that we all know about in the industry, the Bulldogs. There's some notorious ones out there. So, panel upgrades, absolutely the one that we love to do. And they're great because they're one-day projects. We're in, we're out, and we make it so convenient and comfortable for the customer. We look after permits. We look after everything we need to do as far as coordinating with the utility company. And we always bring a small generator so we can keep the fridge on, the furnace going, your Wi-Fi. Because one thing I've learned about doing panel changes is if the Wi-Fi is not working and mom's home with the kids, all heck is breaking loose. It doesn't even matter if the furnace is on. They'll keep a blanket, but we need to have that Wi-Fi working. So, but yeah, absolutely. Panel upgrades, number 1.
All right. Panel upgrades, number 1. Okay. I know having Wi-Fi, kids could live without food, but without Wi-Fi for 10 minutes. Oh my gosh.
It is a need, not a want. It's a need.
It's a necessity.
Absolutely.
Okay. So let's talk about number 2. What is the second most popular service item that you guys have out there for electrical?
You bet. It's service upgrades. 200 amp service upgrades. And we have seen such an increase in the demand for service upgrades in Edmonton, Sherwood Park, Strathcona County area in the last couple of years. And the reasons are because people are needing more power in their home for the hot tub they've bought, the electric vehicle that they're purchasing, the suite that they're putting in their home. Maybe they're putting in a barrel sauna. It's all about, people are spending more time at home. They want to be comfortable and they want to be set up to basically get all of the appliances and upgrades that they want. So yeah, the 200 amp service upgrades, very, very much in demand. And again, we love doing them. Whether it's an overhead service in an older Edmonton area or an underground service in Sherwood Park, Strathcona County, we look after, again, permitting, coordination with EPCOR and Fortis. And also what we do, because so many of our upgrades in Strathcona County, Sherwood Park are underground, we've got a great relationship with our hydrovac and directional drilling company that we work with, which is Elite HDD, which is horizontal directional drilling. And, everything just falls right into place when we do these upgrades. We've got Fortis coming out, getting everything lined up. I'm working directly with those guys to make sure everything's coordinated. The excavation is done on schedule. And oh my gosh, we finished one this week, 3 days start to finish. And it went so smooth. Customers thrilled. And the neighbors are coming from across the road saying, can we get a quote for what you guys are doing?
Nice.
So, we love doing 200 amp upgrades.
Beautiful. And, as life goes on, we're going to have a requirement for even more power as it goes along.
Yes.
And let's talk about number 3. Number 3, what is the third most popular service item that Halo Power performs for the customers?
Third most popular service is backup power solutions with a backup generator. Whether it's a manual setup that you need for your home, and that's where we put in a generator panel beside your main panel with the circuits that you need to keep powered up in the case of a power outage. And you are able to connect your large portable generator to this manual generator panel that we put on so that when power goes out, you flip a few switches, you fire up that Honda or Champion 8, 10 kilowatt generator, and you have kept everything powered up in your home. Sump pump, furnace, fridges, freezers, some lighting, and any other critical things that you need on. If you're on an acreage, you want to make sure that the well, the septic is working. Maybe you got cattle on that farm. You got to keep the cattle waterers heated, because from what I know about cows, which isn't very much, they will not break the ice with their nose if they can't have a drink. So, I mean, there's so many things. So that manual generator panel is becoming really popular because it's affordable. The flip side is the fully automatic backup home generator system, be it a Generac. There's other brands out there. We're a dealer for Generac, so we're a little biased. Those are the ones, most ones we put in. But that fully automatic backup system, that's the one that comes on whether you're home or whether you're not. Maybe you're sitting on the beach in Mexico and it's 30 below back here in Sherwood Park, Edmonton, Strathcona County. Power goes out, generator fires up. Your home is safe. Everything is working as it should. And you'll even get a notification on your phone just letting you know that it happened. So, the backup power systems, very, very popular.
All right. That's amazing. So there you have it, folks. We have the 3 top items that Halo Power does to make life better for Sherwood Park residents. So if you are in need of any of those services, check out halopower.ca, HALO power.ca, and Kevin will come out, give you a quote, and do the work for you.
Absolutely. Thank you, Trevor.
You betcha.
All right.